Good morning. I'm Dr. K.P.Sarma, Professor, Soft Skills Trainer. I'm going to speak about just a minute program, which is usually be conducted by MNC companies in order to recruit the students from the engineering colleges. Just a minute program is also called jam session. Jam session is an integral part of soft skills, which is very, very important. Just a minute program or an event it is stated to be, which is going to be tested whether the student has complete control between mind and the mouth. It is going to be tested. And apart from that, the student must be able to understand it is a matter of 60 seconds, a non-stop talking without any kind of hesitation, repetition or deviation. There should not be any kind of sluggish movement by the time it is going to be delivered the topic in the duration of 60 seconds. And apart from that, here repetition. Repetition is related to the sentences which are delivered by the student must not be repeated once again in the duration of the 60 seconds. And apart from that, there must not be any deviation from the topic. So one should be stick on to the same topic which is given to him or her. So there should be control between the mind and the mouth. That should be seen clearly. Generally, the MNC companies or the Indian-based companies test in the form of jam session the caliber related to the student. The recruiter means the persons who come over there to the campuses in order to test and then take the students accordingly. They conduct interviews. In that interviews, they must not fail. So here, jam session is the most important one, and in which the candidate must be able to prove himself or herself that they are suited to work. And apart from that, the candidate is going to be tested whether he has very good communication skills and confidence. Communication skills are there perfectly means they are quite useful to the company because they have to interact with the people. And apart from that, confidence. Confidence is very, very important. Whether that confidence level is up to the mark or not, they test in the duration of 60 seconds in a just a minute program. And apart from that, grammar and language skills are going to be conducted. Grammar is very important in case of the any kind of language. And language skills. If a sentence is framed without a mistake, then that candidate is the person who is able to speak good English. Like that, the recruiter can understand. And by the time the jam session is going on, how is the flow of language of the student is going to be tested in the form of language skills. Language skills is related to language and in which whether the student has caliber or not, means grip over that language or not. This is very, very important. And nextly, body language. How is the student coming in? How is the student going out? Means making an exit in a proper way or not. How he walks in and walks out. How he sits. How he is going to respond. Each and everything is going to be tested in the form of body language. Part 1 of jam session is completed. Next, we will go for part 2. Thank you.